Are you tired of the traditional 9 to 5 grind and searching for innovative ways to boost your income? Well, look no further. In this comprehensive guide, I'm about to reveal a groundbreaking trick that can help you earn a whopping $700 a day in pure passive income. Yes, you read that right, $700 a day. So, buckle up as we dive into the secrets of making money by simply watching Google ads. So if you sit through one ad, you'll pocket 30 cents. Watch another, and you're looking at 54 cents. Keep it going, and the third ad gets you a solid 62 cents. There's this trick in a video that shows how to make $2.49 every minute just watching Google ads. And get this, it works everywhere. Whether you're in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, or anywhere else around the globe. First things first, head on over to this site where you can make some cash by checking out Google ads from brands you might be interested in. I'll spill the website's name in a bit, but let me walk you through how it goes down. You watch those brand ads on the site, and guess what? If you get someone else on board using your link, you score a cool $5 for every sign up. Once your account hits the minimum amount, you can shift that money to your PayPal, and there are a bunch of other ways to cash out too. Loads of brands, including the ones you see here, teamed up with this site to hook you up with fresh Google ads every single day. It's a sweet deal. If you're curious to know more about this site, hit up the About Us section at the bottom. But if you're ready to dive in, just hit that Sign Up Now button. Toss in your full name, email, password, and birth date. Oh, and don't forget to keep tabs on your server number. That's key. The next time you log in, they're gonna ask for your server name, so don't forget that. Also, make sure to check that box, then hit up the Sign Up button. Once you're in, your dashboard's gonna look something like this. You'll score a cool $10 as a sign-up bonus. Now, let me walk you through how to beef up that account balance. So, just scroll down a bit on your dashboard and you'll spot 5 ads waiting for you. Click on that first ad and you're looking at a cool 54 cents for watching a Google website ad. Hit the complete button below the ad and you'll be whisked away to another tab in a snap. Go ahead and quickly close it. Hit the complete button again and it's gonna pop a message saying, "Don't close this page, we're recording your visit." After that, you'll be redirected to the Google search engine with a 35-second countdown in the top right corner. While that's ticking down, make sure to scroll up and down on the ad they're showing you. When the countdown hits 0, you'll spot a skip button. Click that and boom, back to your dashboard. Check it out, you've just banked 57 cents and now your balance is sitting at a sweet $10.57. Alright, let's keep this money train rolling. Hit up another ad by clicking complete, and like before, we'll close this new tab it opens. Back on the dashboard, hit complete again, and you'll get the "Don't close this page, we're recording your visit" message. Now, back to the Google search engine for another ad. Hang tight for 35 seconds, scroll around, and when that countdown hits 0, hit the skip button. Zoom back to your dashboard, and guess what? You just bagged more money. Check the account. It's now at a cool $11.19. Got the hang of it already? But here's the deal. You might have caught on that now you only got 3 more ads to roll, meaning you can only watch 5 videos in a 24-hour span. So, if you go hunting for that first ad we checked out, it's MIA for the next 24 hours. No sweat though. I got a trick up my sleeve to show you how to keep raking in that $2.49 every minute over and over again. But hey, real quick before we get into it, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if you hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. Alright, step 2 is all about the cash flow. Making that $2.49 over and over with these 5 ads. Just whip up a bunch of accounts on the site. Let's say you create like 5 to 10 accounts. Each account bags you 57 cents, 62 cents, 30 cents, 46 cents, and 54 cents. Add it up and boom, you got a sweet $2.49 in less than a minute. Imagine if you got 10 accounts. That's a cool $24.90 in just a few minutes. No stress if you're short on email addresses. Here's a bonus trick I've got for you to make multiple accounts. To kick off a new account, hit up the sign up button. On the next page, toss in a different name, password, and birth date. Now for the email, swing by temp-mail.org. Temp Mail is this cool website where you can grab as many temporary emails as you want, totally free. Your temp email pops up in this box. Just hit the icon to copy it. Then, head over to the ad site, paste that temp email in the box, and don't forget your server number. Tick the box, hit sign up, and bam! You're in with your fresh new account. Now, to whip up another account on this site, swing back to Temp Mail and snag a fresh email. But hold up, before you do that, copy the previous email from Temp Mail, along with its password. Save that info in a Word file or notes for quick access. When you're ready for a new email, just hit Change on Temp Mail. And now you've got a new temporary email. You can use this new email to set up a third account on the site. You can keep this going and create like 10 to 20 accounts without spending a dime. Alright, time to hit the jackpot for that sweet $700 in chill passive income. Check out the left side of your dashboard and under My Account, hit up Invites Earnings. You'll land on this page where it's laid out that each time someone signs up using your link, you pocket $5 per referral. The cherry on top, your referral gets a cool $10 as a sign-up bonus. Just copy that referral link, start tossing it to your pals and family, and watch the money roll in. Hey, quick heads up! Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. The name of this site is called cashvib.com, your ticket to making money online. I'm about to spill the beans on this secret bonus trick. It's how you get a whole army of people signing up through your referral link. That's the key to raking in a cool $700 a day in super chill hands-off income. Let's get those dollars rolling. Now, let's hop on over to facebook.com. In the search bar, type in Make Money Online and hit enter. Scroll down a bit and click on the Groups option. Choose Public Groups and you'll find a bunch of open groups anyone can join. No need for permission. Take your pick from these groups and dive right in. Let's say you click on a group like this one. Now you're on a page with a bunch of posts offering different ways to make money online. Take a look here. Someone posted a few hours ago and they've got a bunch of likes and comments from interested folks. Now, all you gotta do is create a post like that. Imagine, even if just 140 people out of the thousands in the group sign up using your referral link, you're looking at an effortless $700 a day on cashvib.com. Easy money, right? Alright. Time to nail the perfect Facebook post for our referral link in this group. Hit that What's on Your Mind button. I'm gonna type, I made up to $100 by just watching ads on this site. And it's completely free. Drop a comment below and I'll send you the details. Now, for the image, head back to cashvib.com, click on Live Payments, and check out those payment proofs. Pick one, save it to your device. Since we're talking $100 in the post, save this image to your computer. Let's head back to Facebook and hit up the spot to attach that image we just grabbed. Now the post is looking great. Repeat this move in a bunch of other Make Money Online groups, and believe me, the referrals will start rolling in. You might even pull in more than $700 a day. Start slow, aim for like 5 to 20 signups daily, and you could be raking in $500 to $3,500 a month just from simple Facebook posts. Now it's time to cash in those earnings. Cruise over to your dashboard, hit up the withdrawal section, and it'll land you on this page. Check it out. They've got 5 ways for you to grab your cash: PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, Western Union, and Google Play gift cards. The deal is, you can withdraw anything between $70 as the minimum and up to $100 a day as the max. Take your pick and cash out. Make sure to drop a comment down below telling me your location, like I'm from blank, aka your country, with your goal of how much money you want to make online. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. This comprehensive guide unveils the secrets of earning $700 a day in pure passive income by watching Google ads on cashvib.com. From the ad watching technique to creating multiple accounts, leveraging referrals, and using the bonus trick on Facebook, this guide equips you with the tools to transform your financial landscape. Remember, success lies in consistency and strategic execution. So, embark on your journey to financial freedom, and may your passive income dreams become a reality. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Together, we can unlock more money-making secrets for everyone. Happy earning!